Hello, and welcome to another Astro One video presentation. Today we'll be discussing the difference between mass and density. Helping me as always is my assistant, Stephen. Mass is the amount of stuff that an object is made up of. All the little bits and pieces. The electrons, protons, and neutrons that make up an object. Density is a measurement of how much mass is in a given volume. It's possible for two objects to have the same mass but different densities. It's also possible for two objects to have the same volume yet different densities. Here we have three boxes, all of the same volume yet different masses, and therefore different densities. The first box is the lightest. It contains very little mass, and therefore is the least dense. The second box is heavier. It contains more mass, and therefore is denser than the first. The third box is the heaviest of all. It has the most mass, and therefore is the most dense. Oh! As you can see, even though the three boxes are of the same volume, their densities were different because their masses were different. When we talk about the planets, we'll be comparing their masses and densities. Terrestrial or Earth-like planets, while lower in mass, are higher in density than Jovian or Jupiter-like planets. This is because they are composed of heavier elements like rocks and metals, compared to Jovian planets, which are huge and gaseous. Join us again next time as we discuss another fun astronomy concept. See you next time! The first box is very light. It has very little mass at all, and so it's the least dense. The second box is heavier. It has more mass. I'm sorry, I didn't realize you were going to sniff the box.
Yes!
Give me the box.
Well, it works well.
There's our blooper.